Okay, after your fabric has been checked off by the teacher, we can go ahead and cut it. Now, I'm going to just use scissors for this just because we do have some slanted and curved edges that can be kind of tricky if we're using a rotary cutter. The other thing is because we have it pinned, it's hard for us to put the ruler on it because then it's not as stable. So we're going to go ahead and cut these pattern pieces out using scissors. One key when cutting out fabric with scissors is your fabric should be flat against the table. We're going to use a table as kind of an anchor so that we get long, even strokes. So I'm just going to go with my scissors and I'm going to cut around my pattern pieces. Make sure that you don't cut this folded edges, but you're going to cut all the other sides of your pattern piece. Okay, now I have my pattern pieces cut out. So you should have 4 straps. We actually are only going to be using 3 of them, 2 for the waist ties and 1 for the neck strap, but just kind of hold on to that extra one just if we have any issues or problems, we can use that one. And then again, it just depends on how many pockets you want. You can use 1 or 2 pockets, so you'll probably have extra pieces of that. And then you have your main body pieces, you'll have your 2. With your scraps, if you have usable scraps, you can put them in the scrap bin, but if they're just like little strips that can't really be used for any extra projects, just throw them in the garbage.